She loves me. She loves me not. Loves me not. Loves me not. You see? She doesn't love me. And why would she? She loves life and love and gay clothes. And I'm already 25. A significant reminder that she is no longer young. And when I'm away, she is only 32. And in my presence, she is 43, and she hates me for it. She knows, too, that I despise the modern stage. She adores it and imagines she's working on it for the benefit of humanity and her scared art. But to me, theater is merely the vehicle of convention and prejudice. When the curtain rises on that three-walled room, and those geniuses, those high priests of art show us people the act of eating, drinking, loving, walking, and wearing their coats, and attempt to extract a moral from their insipid talk. When playwriters give us under 1,000 different guises the same old stuff, then I must needs run from it, as Maupassant ran from the Eiffel Tower that was about to crush him by its vulgarity.